Welcome to Boutir Tutorials. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to add bank transfer as a payment method for your online store. For better experience, please watch this video in full screen mode and turn on the subtitles. Now, let's begin. Firstly, launch your Boutir app to start. Then, in your home page, click Store Settings option. Tap on Payment. Then enable the Accept Bank Transfer option. Fill in your bank name, account number, and account name. Note that only your bank name will be visible in your store. In this section, edit the duration of payment for your customers. Please note that your customer's order will be automatically cancelled if they did not make payment within the duration that you have just set. You may also add more than one bank account. Once done, click Save. With that, your store is now set. Download Boutir now on Google Play Store or App Store.